lot of times you have to manage after installation conditions and try to protect your final product until a tenant moves in or final approval. With working with Defy is, first of all, I know who's going to show up. Rick is very hands-on. He has other workers that come to help out, but Rick is also very much on site. He's there from start to finish. Even if he leaves site, when he comes back, he's going to walk the project with you, make sure you're satisfied. He always delivers on whatever promise, and he's very thorough. He will definitely go through the entire process, what it takes and what he feels is going to take, and he'll be quite frank with you if he doesn't think that your expectations are going to be able to be met, and then puts them back in line. And what I always say is that's a good service regardless. It's I think one of the biggest things you find in the service industry is that the end user or the client's expectations are not put online on what can actually be done. So that's my experience with Rick and Defy.
And it brings me a certain amount of pleasure to know at the end of the day, a certain amount of satisfaction to know that we did a job well done, and we, as my little statement says, and that's my whole thing with that, is we defy average.
Yeah.
You know, when people say, well, what's average? Well, go look around.
Yeah.
I mean, go meet with people, go do business with people, and you're going to find out real quick what average is.
Sure.
You know, and we excel at that, and that's one of the great things that I like about what we do.
Just to piggyback off of that, I think the biggest thing, like in the industry that we're in, anybody can essentially, that is in a commercial flooring industry, can install flooring. We all offer the same products, but the difference that separates us from everybody else is we always say that carpet management, we define service and commercial flooring because it's the service aspect that we bring to a job.
Yeah.
If there's an issue, we're right out there. You call, you need someone to take a look at something, we're right out there. Most times of days, we pick up a phone, respond to the email. It's all within a quick response, and usually, I mean, a lot of times you just don't find that response or that type of support in a lot of industries. And that's not just in flooring, it's, you know, whatever service industry, just in service industry in itself. So
Yeah, you know, and I'm going to tell you, on the flip side, I want to thank you for the opportunity to allow us to be of service. You know, I want to thank you for the opportunities that you give us, because at the end of the day, you know, it's our job to cultivate the relationship. And that's the way I look at it. I look at every person I do business with, we look at as a courting. You know, I'm courting you all the time. My job is to make sure that you are happy all the time. And I think if more people took that approach, a courting approach, if you will, like they're dating, you know, not past the honeymoon phase, not past been married for 5 years. I'm talking the infancy stages of dating. And if you treat every customer like you're dating, you're going to be in business for a long time. And that's my goal. I am going to constantly be in the dating phase. I'm going to constantly do whatever it takes to run a business. I'm going to constantly do whatever it takes to do it right. So I want to thank you for allowing me the opportunity to basically shine. So thank you for that.
no, well, we enjoy working with you guys, and you've always come through on all our projects, so we
Awesome.
appreciate it.
Awesome, and we'll continue to do so.
No, there you go.
Sweet.